In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve some common issues you might encounter with your OpenAI account. Let's dive in step by step to ensure everything is running smoothly on your end. First, it's important to check your network and device. You might wonder why this is crucial. Well, sometimes connectivity issues could be due to the use of VPNs or proxies. These tools, while great for privacy, might cause some disruptions because OpenAI may flag certain IP ranges. To start, try turning off any VPNs or proxies you have running. This small adjustment might make a big difference. Next, consider restarting your router. This action can refresh your IP address, which might resolve any lingering connectivity issues. If the problem persists, it's worth testing a different network or device. For instance, if you're currently using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. These quick checks might be all it takes to fix the problem. Now, let's talk about securing your account. It's always a good idea to be proactive about keeping your information safe. Begin by logging out of all devices that you're logged into. This action ensures that any sessions you might not be aware of are closed. Afterward, change your OpenAI password immediately. Using a strong, unique password can greatly enhance your account security. For an additional layer of protection, enable two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA. This feature adds an extra step to your login process, which can prevent unauthorized access even if someone gets hold of your password. Taking these steps will help safeguard your account effectively. Finally, let's address any potential browser issues that could be causing trouble. Often your browser's cookies and cache can interfere with the way websites function. Clearing these can help your browser perform better and eliminate errors. Don't worry about losing important information. Clearing cookies and cache is a safe standard practice. Next, consider disabling any browser extensions you have, especially ad blockers or script injectors, as they could interfere with website functionality. If you're still experiencing issues, try accessing the site in incognito or private mode, which disables many extensions and starts with a clean slate. Alternatively, switching to a different browser altogether could do the trick. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to resolve most issues related to your OpenAI account. Remember, a lot of the time the solution might be simpler than you think. I hope this guide helps you get back on track swiftly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.